Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with AJ Bell Funds and Shares ISA Review My Usage Experience. AJ Bell Funds and Shares ISA Review My Usage Experience offers a way to review your investment portfolio within your AJ Bell Funds and Shares ISA. It's primarily aimed at investors using this specific ISA account, allowing them to monitor their holdings, track performance, and manage their investments. Key features likely include portfolio performance summaries, transaction history, and perhaps tools for rebalancing investments. Their website provides details on the specifics of the review process and account management. It positions itself as a user-friendly tool for managing investments, emphasizing ease of access to your portfolio data. They promote transparent pricing, though the specifics need to be checked on their site. Availability is obviously limited to existing AJ Bell Funds and Shares ISA customers. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using AJ Bell Funds and Shares ISA Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was straightforward enough. After logging into my AJ Bell account, finding the review section was intuitive. The interface itself is clean and relatively easy to navigate. I particularly appreciated the clear graphical representations of my portfolio's performance over different timeframes. It made it very easy to see which investments were doing well and which were underperforming. I used the transaction history feature frequently to track my buy and sell orders, and it was always accurate and up to date. I even had a question about a specific tax implication and their support responded within 2 days via email. The reply was helpful and comprehensive. A standout feature for me was definitely the ability to download my portfolio data in various formats for further analysis. One minor drawback was the lack of interactive charting tools. More granular analysis required exporting the data. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the service. It's a solid tool for managing my ISA and monitoring my investments, though some minor improvements to the interface could make it even better. That's my overview of AJ Bell Funds and Shares ISA Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.